Welcome to the Academy YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create mockups on Adobe Photoshop in just 5 simple steps. For more design related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you'd like to see any particular tutorials, share your requests in the comment section below. Let us start by selecting a mockup we wish to see our design on. Here's a pouch with an aesthetic natural light and greens in the background. There are many websites where you can find free downloadable mockup images. So here we begin. Step 1. Make a copy of this image layer by right-clicking on the background and selecting the duplicate layer option from the menu. Step 2. Let us make a selection of the pouch. I'm using the object selection tool here. You can use whichever tool you think you're most familiar with. With the object selection tool, make a selection by holding your left-click mouse button and dragging it over the area. Click on the zoom tool from the tools menu and give a close check to ensure all the sides are a part of this active selection. It is perfectly done. Now moving on to step 3, click on the layer mask button. You will find this at the bottom of your layer panel. Click on it to isolate the space for our mockup. Step 4. Click on the File menu, go to Place Embedded, select the design image and click Place. Ensure to resize the design image as per the packaging. Step 5. Right-click on the layer of the design image and select Create Clipping Mask. This step will neatly crop your design on the pouch packaging. To make it look more appealing and realistic, click on the layer blend modes available at the top of the layers panel and select Overlay. Voila! We have our very own coffee brand to launch. Let me give you one bonus tip. Make a copy of the background layer and place it on top of all the layers. Now, right-click on this layer and select Clipping Mask. You would just need to blend this layer to adjust its appearance. For me, it is hue. Creating a mockup may vary depending on the packaging type, so this technique is appropriate for an image having one surface showing. Watch this space for more on the topic and many more quick and super easy techniques of Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to Academy's YouTube channel for more design related content.